All right, we've put an HVH Super Sucker on upside down. Cutter Performance from the internet suggested trying something like that. So same carburetor, same timing, just a different spacer from an open hole 1 inch to this 1 inch 4-hole tapered upside down.
Get the water temperature.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. What do we see there?
Did I see 58?
470 and climbing.
Holy fuck. 470 and climbing.
7